Hey there! Today we are looking at a really handy feature in Xperdyte called Specifications. Think of these as the extra details that make your products unique, going beyond just a list of parts. Why do specifications matter for your manufacturing process? Sometimes your team needs more than just a list of legs and a tabletop. They might need to know the exact color of varnish to use, how many coats to apply, or specific branding requirements. Instead of creating a new stock code for every tiny variation, specifications let you add these vital instructions directly to the recipe. First, we need to set up our standard codes. Navigate to the Bill of Materials main menu and select Specification Codes. Here you can create categories like color, revision number, or branding. This sets the foundation for the details you will add later. Enter the specification code by clicking into a new row. For a handy shortcut, mark a frequently used specification as the default by ticking the corresponding checkbox. This allows you to easily add all default specifications to your bills of materials with just a single click. Now let's add these to a recipe. Open your Bill of Materials and head over to the Auxiliary tab. You will see a dedicated section for specifications. You can add them one by one, or simply click Fetch Defaults to pull in all those common categories we just set up. Adding specific values. This is where you define the details for this specific product. In the value column, you can type in exactly what is needed, like dark oak for the color, or revision number 3. This ensures the recipe is perfectly detailed. Once your BOM is ready, create your works order. You will notice that all those specifications pull through automatically to the Auxiliary tab of the works order. It keeps all your important notes attached to the actual production run. Sometimes things change on the fly. If you need to use a different color for just this one specific production run, you can edit the values directly on the works order. This gives you flexibility without having to change your master recipe. This is the most important part for your factory floor. When you generate a print preview of your works order or batch sheet, those specifications appear clearly at the top. It ensures your production team has the absolute source of truth and knows exactly how to finish the product correctly. That is how you master specifications in Xperdyte. It is a simple way to keep your instructions clear and your production floor running smoothly. For more tips, check out our other videos, or reach out to us at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thanks for watching.